Hi everyone, so today we're going to discuss and review variables in Python. So we're going to go through some of these comments right here and follow along. So in line 4, we're going to assign a variable to a string, which is a word or phrase. So I'm going to name this, remember it can't have any spaces, it can't start with a number. I'm going to name it string variable. It's not too long and it makes the most sense. And I'm going to assign it hello. The next one, in line 7, we have to assign a variable to number, so I'm going to call it number variable, and I'm going to assign it the number 10. Then in line 10, we're going to assign a variable to Boolean, which means true or false, so I'm going to call it Boolean variable, and I'm going to assign it true. So now when I run the project, nothing happens because I didn't print or display anything. So I have to print out all of these variables. So I'm going to print. Once you start typing in the first few letters, you're going to see that it pops up. You can click enter, and you're just going to print all of them. I'm going to print my number, and I'm going to print my Boolean. And then when you click run, they all pop up. Hello, 10, and true.